Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will build OpenSSL on Windows using Visual Studio. Prerequisites. We need to have Visual Studio 2017 or Visual Studio 2015. Visual C++ compiler should be installed on Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 or 10. Now we will download source code. Double-click this link here. Visit GitHub OpenSSL this link here. Download the zip file. While it is downloading, we also need to install ActiveState PERL. Here, active PERL. Download. Here, please download latest version Windows installer. If download is complete, we need to download one more file, NASM. Please visit this website. Here, click this one, latest one. We are installing Windows 64 version. Click this link. So we should have downloaded three files: openssl-master.zip, active PERL, this build, and MASM. Now we will start with the active PERL first. Double click it. Next. Accept. Next. Complete. Click next. Install. Please note that I just installed 64-bit of active PERL. Now click finish. Now we close it. Now we are installing NASM. Right click. Run as administrator. Install for anyone using this computer. Next. Next. Please note that we are installing 64-bit of NASM. Click next. Install. Installation complete. Close. Now we will create a command prompt. From start, right click, search Visual Studio, then right click Visual Studio 2017, open file location. Here, scroll up, Visual Studio 2017, Visual Studio Tools, VC, 64 native tool command prompt for Visual Studio 2017. Right click and drag and drop. Copy here. If you are using Visual Studio 2015, then double click it. Visual Studio tool, Windows desktop command here. This is for Visual Studio 2015. Right click, drag and drop, copy here. Okay, let's start with the Visual Studio 2017. Double click it. Here, PERL version. Then PERL should be working. Then NASM version. It will not work. Okay, so we have to set NASM path. Close it. Here, right click, new text document, change it like MSCV, VC, Microsoft Visual C++, 17, openssl.cmd. We are creating a command prompt here. Yes. Then we can copy here and change it to, rename it to like this. 15. Now right click. This is okay. I will arrange it. I'll arrange them. Sort by name. Sort by name once again. Sort by name once again. Okay. At this stage, click select two files. Then edit with WordPad, Notepad. Here. Start with this one. Right click. Properties. Then copy. Control A. Control C. Here. Paste. Like this. Please note that this is Visual Studio 2017 here. Echo op call change it like this. Okay. Then save it. Then here cancel. This is Visual Studio 2015 properties. Control A, copy. Here, paste. Echo op call. Please change like this. Save all. Then if we find the command prompt here, search again envi environ, then edit the system variables, click it. Then this dialog box, system properties dialog box will be open. Environment, not here. Here you can find the path, edit. You can find these two paths, edit, or you can say, okay, edit, copy the path, then here, paste like this, then once again, here, edit, copy, paste, set path, do like this, path, path, we modify path like this, save it, then copy, paste it here too, save it. We need one more. We installed NASM here. So we need to provide this path, copy. Then here, paste. Then here once again, paste. In case of here, echo Visual Studio 2015 x64 Visual C++ environment. Change like this. Save. Now we modified like this. Save all. We will say in my we don't need this path now. Now delete it. I deleted the path. Also here, in my case, I installed MinGW. I will disable it for the time being. Disable. I am disabling MinGW path. MSys to MinGW path. Disable. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now start. This is Visual Studio 2017. Here, PERL version, it should not work. Okay, it should not work. Now close it once again. Here, Windows, copy these two files, right click, drag and drop to your Windows folder, copy here, continue. Please note that I copied the two files in system Windows folder here. Then right click, I will rename it. It's too long, like this, and I will also rename it like this. Here, right click, properties. Here we are going to use this command prompt rename, copy, then enter here. Now select the remaining part, paste, then it should look like this. Click apply. Okay, now click this one. Now test PERL version, it should work. Okay, it should work. And NASM version, it should also work. And nmake, it should also work. And CL, it also should work. Okay, now we are changing here. Right click, properties. Here, rename. We are just copying the command prompt command script here. Select this part. Oh, sorry, I will show you once again properties. I fixed like this, and before I close advanced, run as administrator. Okay, also right click, advanced, run as administrator. Okay, now we test this command first. Here, PERL version. Okay, NASM version. Okay, CL, it works. nmake, okay, all seems to be working. So we will close it again, then we open it again. Make sure all command works as well. PERL version, it should work. NASM version, it should work. CL also should work. nmake also should work. All works. Now comes back here. Download folder. Please unzip it. Copy this unzipped folder. Right click, copy, and paste it to your working folder. I will paste it here. Copy is completed. I will create folder here, OpenSSL. Then here we will create two folder, DLL and LIV. Here, x64. We will install our software here. So copy this folder, then cd, paste. Now we should be in this folder. No, we will be moving to this folder. copy this folder, now we are in this folder, and copy this path again. I will create one more folder, release, and debug. We will build the release build first. Copy this path. I will record the path here. And here we will create one more folder, SSL. This is key holder folder, key store folder. I will explain about these things very soon, so please be patient. At this folder again, at this folder, here. Before we proceed, we have to install a few cpan library. So we have to install this command, text template, here, cpan I text template, enter. You will have this message, but just ignore it. Now we will put this command here, cpan I test more. Now we will create makefile. To make file, we are going to use this command. This command I will explain one by one. Then here, PERL configure VC Win64. A means Visual C++ Windows 64-bit for AMD 64 architecture. Then release, we are building release. This is default. Then prefix, this is the folder where we are going to install. Please note that we will be installing here. Release, we will be installing in this folder. Copy, then right click to paste, and here openssl dir. This is the key store folder. We'll store our key here, so copy this folder, copy, then right click. Then we are building a shared library, DLL library, then enter. Say VC Win64, this is for AMD x86 x64 CPU architecture, CPU architecture, and for your reference, Win64i, this is for Intel Itanium architecture. Okay, don't get confused. Architecture. Okay, don't get confused. We configured, then we make. This is make, we build, and make. This is to build. Now we test our build. We are going to use this command and make test. If the test result is pass like this, then we install now. If we hit this command, all software component will be installed. All components will be installed. Instead, I will just install software component and make install SW. We are going to install only software component. Okay, now let's see what happened here. OpenSSL DLL x64 release. These are software components we installed. Okay, so I will copy this path here. Right click, edit. Then I will add path here like this and save. I also need to, if you are using Visual Studio 2015, then save. We close this. Then here we have to copy these two files again. These two files to Windows System folder. Copy here. Replace. Continue. Now we start Visual Studio 2017. We will move to, I will create a test folder. Test. I created here. Now I'm going to move to this folder. For more about how to use OpenSSL, please refer to this video and some other videos as well. Now let's test it. OpenSSL. At this point, gen RSA, generate RSA out CA key. Then this is bit count probably. Then enter. Okay. Then you can find this key is created here. For more information about how to use SSL, please watch this video. I think this video explains very well. Now I will exit OpenSSL here. Now I will install, come back here. We will install debug build. Come back to here. Copy. CD. Here again. To build debug build, we have to clean up first. We have to clean up and make clean. Now we configure again. Please note that we are now configuring for debug build. Here, PERL configure VC Win64A. Now we are creating debug build, and the value is this. We are going to install. This is installation folder. We are going to install debug build in this folder. Copy. Then prefix then open SSL dir. The key store folder is the same. This is key store folder. Key store folder is the same as before. Here, paste, then enter. I made typo. Enter. We are configuring for debug build. Okay, then we build again and make. We are building. Now we test our build and make test. If you see all tests successful, this message, then we install and make install. We install only software component like this. Hit enter. If we examine our installation folder, this is debug build and this is release build. These are shared DLL libraries. We also want to have a static library here. We will create release and debug. These are for shared library. Copy this path. Before we do that, we have to clean up and make clean. Now here, we configure again here. PERL configure Visual C Win64A. Now this is debug build, debug. So far we have built release build. Now we are building debug build like this. Prefix is the folder where we will install. So this is lib release. I will say lib release. Sorry. We are building static library leasc prefix. This is the folder static library release build. Paste. Then open SSL dir. Key store folder is the same. Sorry. This is key store folder, the same as before. Paste. Then here, no shared. Say if we give no shared message, then it will build static library. Now hit enter. Sorry, I think I gave wrong path here. Sorry, I will change this. I will create x64, then paste them, move them. So this is the folder. I will configure once again. I will copy this path. Right click to paste. This is the path we are going to install static library. Then enter. We are building static library release build. Okay, we do and make. Now we test our build and make test. So all tests successful and result passed, then we install. And to install, and make install SW. We only install software component. If we examine our folder, this is static library, release. We can find the static library is created here. lib, these are static library. So static library is much bigger. Now we will build debug static library. To do that, and make clean. Then we configure again PERL. It should be debug prefix. We are going to build here. Then openssl dir. This is key store. We will assign this folder as key store as before. Then no shared. Sorry, we have to put the platform VC and Win64A. Okay, now enter. What's wrong? Sorry, I forgot configure. I'm a little bit distracted. Configure. Okay, enter. Okay, then and make enter to build. This is debug build. Finally, let's test and make test our build. All tests successfully. If you see this message and the result is passed, then now we can install. If you haven't tested your build, then you can test your build like this with and make test. Then you should have the all test results should be successful. Then now we are installing install SW. We are installing only software component. Okay, let's examine our installation. This is where we installed. This is static library x64-bit debug. So debug static library is built here, and debug. Then static library release build is built here, and this is for shared library DLL libraries debug build and DLL library release build. If you have problem while building your OpenSSL by yourself, then please visit to my website here, www.talkplayfun.com. Then see URL OpenSSL from this web page. You can download the precompiled DLL library and static library for OpenSSL. By clicking this link, you can download complete set of OpenSSL for Windows platform. In our next session, we will learn how to build the CURL this library. This library is very useful when you build advanced internet applications using C++. In next session, we will build this library. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have problem while building OpenSSL, please leave your comment and questions. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.